Okay? So we have a 10 by 3 and a 10 by 3, and then a 6 by 3 and a 6 by 3, and then we have a 10 by 6 and a 10 by 6 right here. So this is 60 and this is 60 because they're each 10 by 6. This is 30 and 30 because they're both 10 by 3. And this is 18 and 18 because they're 6 by 3. Okay? So if we add all those up, 30 and 30 make 60, plus 60 and 60 make 180, plus 36 more is 216. Now, you could do it the net way, or you could take the perimeter of the base times the height plus 2 times the area of the base. The perimeter of the base is 10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6, or 32. The height is 3, and then the area of the base is 10 times 6, which is 60. So it's 96 plus 120, or again, 216. So there's more than one way to do this. There's the net or the formula. Surface area of a cylinder, 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. So you take 2 times pi times the radius, which is 9 squared, plus 2 times pi times the radius, 9 times the height of 7. Then you just do the math. 2 times pi times 81 plus 2 times pi times 63. Or 162 pi and 126 pi, which is 288 pi. Okay. So that's finding the area of a cylinder, surface area of a cylinder. Now, I'm not going to do all these problems, okay? But the next one, I would definitely use a formula for and just plug it in and find the answers. Lateral area of a prism. Okay, to find the lateral area is the perimeter of the base times the height. So we got to find the perimeter of that right triangle there. Well, I know two sides. I know 12 and I know 13, but I don't know this short side here. How would I find a third side of a right triangle, Jace? How would you find the third side of a right triangle? Dylan. Pythagorean theorem. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So 13 squared equals 12 squared plus x squared. So 169 equals 144 plus x squared. Subtract 144, 25 equals x squared. And take the square root. X equals 5. Okay? So the missing side is 5. So if you add 12 and 13 and 5, you get 30. That's the perimeter of the base. The height is the distance between the two bases, which is 18. 30 times 18 is 540. Okay? The surface area is the perimeter of the base times the height plus 2 times the area of the base. So it's 540, because we just found it right there, plus 2 times. The area of the base is 1/2 times 5 times 12. Okay, 1/2 the base times the height. So it's 540 plus 60, or 600. Yep. All right. Lateral area of a cylinder, I trust that you can find. Surface area of a cylinder, I trust that you can find. So I'm not going to worry about doing those for you right now. But a triangular base prism has base edges of 3, 4, and 5, and the lateral area is 252. What's the height of the prism? So we have a triangular prism here that looks like that, where we have 3, 4, and 5. We want to know the height of it. So lateral area is the perimeter of the base times the height. So 252 equals the perimeter of the base, 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is 12 times h. So divide by 12. H equals what? 252 divided by 12? 21. Okay. The can of cocoa has a dimension shown for the height. What's the approximate area for the label? The label is what wraps around. So if it's just the label, is it the lateral area or its surface area? It's the lateral area, which is 2 pi r h. 2 times pi times the radius, which is 4, times the height, which is 3, or 24 pi, but they want round to the nearest square inch, so you have to take 24 times pi, which is, I don't know what that is. So it's 75 round to the nearest square inch. All right, last one. If you take and wrap this around the x-axis, what kind of a shape does it make? A cylinder, a circle, a triangular prism, or a square prism? A cylinder, yes. Now, if we wrap it around, the cylinder looks like this. Okay. What's the radius of that cylinder going to be? 4. It's the height of this bar is the radius of the cylinder. What's the height of the cylinder? 2, the width of the bar. Okay. So the surface area is pi r squared, or 2 pi r squared plus pi r 2 pi r h. There we go. So 2 times pi times 4 squared plus 2 times pi times 4 times 2. Or